Hey, to connect to the Wi-Fi network on the Galaxy A35 5G, you can actually scroll down with this quick settings bar and then click and hold on the Wi-Fi icon. Now from this you will be redirected into the Wi-Fi settings. Be sure that you turn on this switcher and now just wait for the scanning for the nearby Wi-Fi networks and select your network. So in my case I'm gonna connect with the backspace. I have to just click on it, and from this I have to input the password. So there's actually the first method, and of course for sure I'm gonna actually input this password right here. It's on my case 55245982, and I have to click done. And after a few seconds I will be successfully connected. There we go. And there's also the second way. You can actually go into this settings right here, click on the connections, then select the Wi-Fi, click on this icon, and now you can scan the QR code of your Wi-Fi network like this. And now you will be automatically connected into this network. And that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe.